cage, but I can't control it. So stay away from me, the beast is out.
Hello guys, Tyler's Moto here, and this is the new project car. I'm probably gonna make this one video, maybe two, for like, just to get it running and looking good. I'll probably do updates on it too though. So if you're seeing this, it should be running. Just doing a little bit of a before and after. You can see right here, me shaking the guy's hand from buying it, but my dad's standing in front of us, so you can't actually see us shaking hands. And then you can see a couple shots of it on the trailer. Then on the inside over here, we have all kind of parts for it. There's a new door right here. For this side, this is the only side that doesn't have a door. The other side has a door, but I'm probably gonna replace it too, because I have another door as well.
Well, it's on that side where you're looking, so probably like you just.
So you want to do it like sideways? Okay. These wheels work pretty good.
And you got brand new puppy doors, you know what I'm saying? What the fuck, dude? How did you score this?
Is that one? Yeah, that's it, probably. You in? First try to start up, we just put a new starter on it. And the old one, the wire was off, so that's why one of the reasons it wasn't working. Try to spill it everywhere, there's a rag on it.
Got me down. Got me so I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, it is. If it ain't, you're going straight out to fucking building. You ain't got no gas pedal.
I know.
It's all in the key. Go for it.
So basically it's up to you up there.
Oh shit! You gotta be kidding me. This motherfucker is a runner. That's fucking badass.
Sorry for the camera angle. That sounds way better than that.
I hear you, man. That's what I was trying to tell you.
Alright, boys and girls. I made a bunch of updates on my phone. What I did, didn't record. So, basically, these are the headers. Took them off a bunch of times and on a bunch of times. Brand new starter. That's the second one I've had that's new. The first new one messed up. I took the freeze plugs out and put new freeze plugs in because it was leaking everywhere. This is a new carburetor, new fuel filter pump, yeah, new oil thingy majigger. It is running at the moment. There's the top for the radiator. Not radiator. Carburetor. Running at the moment. Yeah, that's it for this video. This is all I'm going to be doing. It has been a month or so since it's been a good couple months since I've had it, a month or so working on it. And yeah, the only problem at the moment is it overheats a little bit. So I am about to put that radiator on, but that will be in the next video. So if you liked, that like button, and come back for part 2 if you would like to see updates on Red, the 1966 Mustang.